Kaya po kami, asahan niyo po, one call away lang po kami. Our pleasure po na lagi kayo namin pagsabihan, Auntie.
Naliwala lang yung Mundumi. We still have our Auntie Ellen who binds us together na masaya kami po kaya beda kayo po at your 75th. At in wish ko po, and I always pray that you will still always be healthy.
At salamat sa lahat ng mga advices. Kayo po ay isang auntie na full of wisdom na kapag nakakausap po kayo ay saya-saya po, parang nakakausap po kami ng ating mga.
We couldn't ask for a better Lola. You're wonderful, so gentle, yet so strong. You've always shown that you cared and has been supportive with all we do.
Bali niyo po, Auntie, very lucky kami pumipinsan-pinsan. Kasi po bala makakit nila pa po rin respective mamas, hindi kayo. Kasi halos pareho kayo, similar ito pong kimuchi. Kaya very lucky kami kasi po at saka kayo pa.
We're gonna miss you so much when we head back to the States, so make sure you visit us back in Chicago. Happy birthday, Lola! God bless always, and I will never forget to ask you for water. Water, please!
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. That's dancing queen.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin.
I thank the Lord for giving me such a loving, understanding, caring, and nurturing mom who raised me to be the woman I am today. She worked so hard to raise her Tres Marias, and together with my dad. And despite how busy that she got, she's always been there to support us, not only financially but emotionally as well. And she helped us reach our dreams, no matter how tough life may have been.
Everybody, 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Palakpakan naman po natin. Fortune Hong Kong Seafood Restaurant here in Balibago, Angeles City, where we celebrate 75 shining and glorious years of Lola Eden Magpayo. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bawat isa for being here. By the way, my name is Redmond and I'll be your host for this evening's affair. And tonight, we celebrate a woman's aging to perfection. Not just any other woman, but a woman considered a blessing to all of us. And that is in the person of our dearest Lola Eden. Kaya naman, since 75 years is all about Thanksgiving, we shall be giving back to all of you as we give away prizes. Mamimigay po tayo ng mga papremyo doon po sa mga makakahula ng pamagat ng mga kanta na ipapatugtog po ng ating DJ. So napakadali lang po ng game na to. This is called Name That Tune. So if you know the title of the song we are playing, just raise your hand and our friendly coordinator from Redmond Weddings and Events will be attending to you. Alright, try to give us a correct answer para po kayo ay manalo ng papremyo. Let's have the first song, please. What's the title of this song? Nako, can we stand? Miss Bianca, yeah. Alright, Bianca happens to be one very close family friend of Lola Eden's. Ayan. So, Bianca, I know you are a very good singer. Instead of asking you to dance to that tune, baka pwedeng samplean mo na muna kami bago mo ibigay ang pamagat. Alright?
Pwede mo later na lang.
Pwede ngayon na. Joke lang. Alright, sige Bianca, a few lines before you give us a title. In 3, 2, and 1.
You are the
naman po natin si Bianca to your song number in a little while. Alright, we have more prizes and songs to go. Next song, please. Uy, what's the title of this song? Dito tayo, Sir Andre. Alright, sir, ano pong title ng kanta? Macarena. Sir, ano po ang pangalan nila? Mark po. Sir Mark, Pastor Mark. Hindi naman po masama kung pasasayawin natin si Pastor Mark ng Macarena. Is that okay, Pastor? Okay na po. Baka po mas masaya kung mabibigyan ng chance, pati po yung mga kasama niyo sa race. Alright, okay lang po kayo din po, tayo po tayo. Magmamakarena lang po tayo ng kanta. Come on, come on! Halina po kayo! Inimig po tayo ni Pastor Mark. Ready? And music, please! One more time, one more time! Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Trying to be. Pero
Trying to be. Ano mas prefer mo ma'am? Kumakanta o sumasayaw?
wala.
Konting lines na lang ng chorus ng Buttercup. Okay? Ready? Before we give you the prize, ready in 3, 2, and 1. Get ready. Ayan, konting lines na po in 3, 2, and 1.
Buttercup, baby, I'm
Naman, what's your name please?
Lorenzo po.
Okay, Miss Lot, ayan. Confident ba sa iyong sagot? Medyo. Sige po, dahil confident po kayo, tayo po tayo. Ayan. Walang sayaw. Title lang. Ano bang title lang? Aserehe is correct. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Lot. Ma'am Lot, hindi talaga. Hindi sasayaw po. Konti lang. Ayan, sige po, bigyan natin ng konti music. Ready for Lot? Palakpakan nyo naman po. Come on! Isa pa na! Alright, thank you very much. YMCA. Sir, pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng konting steps lang ng YMCA? Okay lang po ba? Hindi ka lang. Ayan, igagait po kayo ni Madam at saka po ng kanya po mga anak. Hindi, ayaw. YMCA is correct. Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir. Bigyan na po natin ng pa-prize si Sir. Here with us. Here, of course, at the 75th birthday of our dearest Lola Eden. And today is a very, very glorious day as we celebrate her aging to perfection and all her achievements in life. And of course, life is unsure nowadays, so it is but very fitting to just give out one very grand celebration such as this. Kaya naman, isang magandang regalo na pwede po natin ibigay sa ating dearest celebrator ay ang magstay hanggang dulo. Baka naman pwede po kumakahingi ng malakas na sagot. Can we stay towards the end of our program? Naku, palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Thank you very much. So friends, let us begin our celebration as we invite everybody to please rise. Tumayo po tayong lahat. It's the floor to the woman of the hour, celebrating 75 years and shining bright like a diamond. We give you Lola Eden Montoyo.
Somebody who can love me and my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my words. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I love you first. And for you, boy, it's been right through
magpayo. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating celebrator na si Lola Eden. Well, we begin our celebration as we keep you all standing, and we will be asking now guidance from the one up above, and this is through a very special prayer to be led by Pastor Edwin Samson.
Okay, I just want to greet our beloved auntie for her 75th birthday. And we're so happy for her life and for her husband and children and all the relatives. I know they are so happy. Can we bow our heads? Let's go to the Lord in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, again, we want to thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day for my auntie on her 75th birthday. And Lord, what a joy for giving her a wonderful life. Your word says to teach us to number our days so we may apply our hearts unto wisdom. Sabi po niyo sa Tagalog, bilangin niyo po ang aming mga kaarawan upang sa gayon ay magugol po namin ang aming pong buhay na merong pakinabang. At ganun po ang ginawa po ng aming pong auntie and uncle. And what a joy to see her extending your life, her life, I mean. And Lord, I pray for good health continually. And so, Uncle, that you will give them a wonderful life together. And Lord, thank you, Lord, for the gift of life, a joyous life, a prosperous life, an overwhelming joy of life. And Lord, as we come to your presence, may you bless this birthday celebration. Be with all the people who are here. Give us joy and a wonderful time.
Ini-expect po natin.
Ang in-expect ko na not so overwhelming scenario. But it is. It's over enjoyable. That's how I feel.
Thank you very much, Lola. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit. Ayan, pampaless lang ng tension. Ayan. So we will be starting our celebration as Lola Eden will be having very special dances with the most important men in her life. And this is through the 7 Roses. And this will be started by her son-in-law, Mr. Melchor Siron. Palakpakan naman po natin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, big hand for Lola Eden's son-in-law, Mr. Melchor Siron. Now we welcome on the dance floor, the Kaiko Jr., the eldest nephew of Lola Eden. Bocot Jr., the eldest nephew of Lola Eden. From Sir Bocot, let's have the nephew of Lola Eden. We have Mr. Ronald Lorenzo. Thank you very much to Mr. Ronald Lorenzo, one of the nephews of Lola Eden. Next, from one nephew, we have another nephew to dance with Lola Eden, and he is Pastor Mark Luciano. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Friends, that was Pastor Mark Luciano, another nephew of Lola Eden. We now proceed to another pastor in the house. We give it up for Pastor Edwin Samson. Thank you so much to Pastor Edwin Samson for dancing with Lola Eden. We continue with our last two members of the Roses. Let's now have our sixth member, Mr. Paul Aison.
Start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, swing me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, swing with me. When you dance, you have to play with me, stay with me, swing with me. Dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I know I can hear the sound of violins long before.
And completing, of course, the dance of the Roses, is one very, very close and special person to the heart of our dearest Lola Eden. This is, ladies and gentlemen, the dads of our dearest Lolo and Lola. Palakpakan po natin Lola Eden together with Mr. Herbie Magpayo. Moving hand of please. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin. Your name, please. Okay, ma'am. Can you please give us the number of countries na na-travel po kaya ni Lola Eden? It's 3. Can you name the 3 countries, ma'am?
Japan, US, Singapore.
Yun, palakpakan naman po natin. Let's continue. Kung nakabisita na po si Lola Eden ng 3 bansa, ano daw po yung next sa bucket list niya? What's the next country in her bucket list? Ayan, dito daw po tayo sa right side. Alright. Yes, ma'am. What's your name, please?
And
Okay, ma'am. Can you please give us the country next on her bucket list?
I guess Europe.
Europe is incorrect. Pasensya na po, mali po ang Europe. I think from another table, ayan, may nakataas po sa kabilang mesa. Yes, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Angelica po.
Alright, Miss Angelica. Europe is off the list. Alright, I think you can now give us another lucky guess.
Australia.
Australia or the land down under, that is correct. Congratulations! Miss Angelica, nag-aaral pa daw po si Lola Eden. Ano daw ang kanyang favorite subject? What is Lola Eden's favorite subject? Ako lang nagtataas ng kamay ni Lola Eden. Alright, mukhang gulat-gulit. Correct. Pasensya na po, mali po ang English.
Chemistry or science.
Chemistry or science? I'll take science as your answer. Science is correct. Congratulations, ma'am. Also happens to be one of Lola's role models in life. Sino daw po from the royal family? Ang ka-birthday din ni Lola Eden. Alright. From table number 4, yes, ma'am. Ano pong pangalan natin?
Fides David.
Okay, ma'am Fides. Pakibigay naman po. Ang ka-birthday niya daw po from the royal family.
I think Princess Diana.
Princess Diana. Tama po ba, Lola?
Correct.
Correct. Congratulations, ma'am Fides.
Good evening, everyone. Before my birthday message, allow me po, Auntie, thank you. At 75, you're still celebrating your birthday with all of us here tonight. Bali niyo po, Auntie, very lucky kami pong may pinsan-pinsan. Kasi po bala makakit nila pa po rin respective mamas, hindi kayo. Kasi halos pareho kayo, similar ito pong kimchi. Kaya very lucky kami kasi po at saka kayo pa. So, happy birthday po, Auntie. May all your wishes and prayers be fulfilled, and may God bless you even more. And my wish also is for you to have good health and long life, because you still have more love and nakalimutan. Yun po, Auntie. So you still have so much love to share and give.
Ay, good evening po kay Pamilya Luciano. Auntie, happy birthday. It really is so emotional at the moment. Us all celebrating the emotional po 75th birthday of Auntie Eden. One time I was thinking, we no longer have the Luciano surname among all of us because some of us got married already, while also some others have retained the Luciano. But you, Auntie, ika po yung mag-bind kay kami na andyan pa pong aliwaliwa na kami apelido, dakan na kami kay Montalan, aliwaliwa na lang yung Mundumi. We still have our Auntie Eden who binds us together na masaya kami po kaya beda kayo pa at your 75th. At in which ko po, and I always pray, that you will still always be healthy, happy, and beautiful. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Auntie, happy birthday! Tagalog na lang po na ang saya-saya ko at nakarating ka ng 75th birthday na malakas pa at very beautiful. Sabi ko nga, pag kaya kami 75 years old na, kasing ganda pa rin natin kayo. Sana naman. No? Sana kasing ganda pa rin natin kayo. Auntie, napaka-blessed namin at meron pa kaming ating katulad yun. Kayo ang isang alaala na namin mga mama. Every time na tinatawagan mo ako or chinachat mo ako, hindi yun isorbo sa akin, Auntie, kahit na gano'n pa ako kabisi. It's a privilege. Ako naisip mo, mapagtanungan ng mga dapat mong malaman. At malaking bagay yun sa akin, Auntie, kahit na in a small way, makatulong ako kahit lang man lang doon sa mga sagot na gusto mo malaman. Auntie, anytime, pag kailangan mo, pasensya ka lang lately, lagi ako naisipin. Kaya hindi kita na. Kami pong lahat dito ay pasalamat sa inyong lahat. At nakasama namin kayo sa pag-celebrate sa birthday ng aming auntie. At the age of 75, na malakas pa siya, napakaganda. Masaya-masaya na po kami at ang lagi namin pinapanalangin. Sana more birthdays pa kami. At least kay bata. I love you, Auntie. At salamat sa lahat ng mga advices. Kayo po ay isang auntie na full of wisdom. Na kapag nakakausap ko kayo, ay saya-saya ko para nakakausap ko kayo ng ating mga. Thank you.
Everyone, good evening po. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Lalo-lalo na po sa inyong auntie. Wala ko pong kaswero. Wala ko nga sa atin kasi yung totoo na po din, yung asawa ko po yung pamulagan. Pero iyante po, ako tinuloy na luwa. Ako din minsan na wala po. Kaya po adore sa natin. Kaya po, auntie, thank you so very much. Napaka-generous niyo po. Kaya po kami, asahan niyo po, one call away lang po kami. Our pleasure po na dati kayong namin pagsilbihan, auntie. Sana po, lalo pa mukatang buhay ninyo, lalo pa po kayo maging malusog. Hindi lang po kayo, pati po pamilya po ninyo at si Dr. Herbie po. Happy birthday po, Auntie. We love you po, Auntie.
Happy birthday. Stay pretty. No, still pretty. Oh. Tapos, stay healthy and God bless always. Thank you. That's it.
Wishing you a good health and long life and more happiness always. And God bless for us.
Happy birthday. We really are honored to be here with you to celebrate. First, we want to recognize how amazing you are. You are so hardworking and you raised 3 beautiful daughters alongside Lolo. And that led to your eldest daughter raising 3 as well. We couldn't ask for a better Lola. You're wonderful, so gentle, yet so strong. You've always shown that you care and has been supportive with all we do. Your love is always seen and reaches us overseas. We love you with all of our hearts, and we know that Io would love have to. We're gonna miss you so much when we head back to the States, so make sure you visit us back in Chicago. Happy birthday, Lola! God bless always, and I will never forget to ask you for water. Water, please! Good evening, everyone. Pasensya na, I need to wait because jet lag pa ako. We just arrived yesterday. But anyway, first of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank the Lord for giving me and my family the chance to celebrate this special day with my mama. I thank the Lord for giving me such a loving, understanding, caring, and nurturing mom who raised me to be the woman I am today. She worked so hard to raise her Tres Marias, and together with my dad. And despite how busy that she got, she's always been there to support us, not only financially but emotionally as well. And she helped us reach our dreams no matter how tough life may have been. She's always someone her family can rely on through thick and thin. She's still with beneath our wings and the bond that keeps our family together. Happy birthday, Mama. May God bless you with many more years of good health, safety, and happiness. And I will forever be grateful for you, and I love you so much.
Let's invite everybody to please raise their glasses. Come on, raise your glasses to good health, to more beautiful years, to more adventures of Lola Eden. Everybody shout cheers!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Before blowing your candle, Lola Eden, we want you to close your eyes for your birthday. Let's give her a few moments. And at the count of 3, everybody will help me and do the counting. You will blow your candle, Lola. Everybody, 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Palakpakan naman po natin mali. The cake slicing ceremony. And this is going to symbol still bounty and blessing in the life or in more years to come of our dearest Lolo. Lola, to the honors, please.
Don't get your way out, do this fuss. Keep on coming home.
Lola Herbie, or Lola, sige po, Lola Eden muna, to do the feeding first. This is a celebration, a 2-in-1 celebration. Ayan, kasama na rin ang kanilang wedding anniversary last May 24. Let's see that good amount of cake. Alright! I think it's Lola Herbie's turn to feed Lola Eden this time.
How sweet it is to be loved.
Naku, para mas matamis, ano kaya pwede natin i-eat? Isang kiss daw. Lola, 1 kiss in 3, 2, and 1. Alright, thank you very much.
When they get to the part when it's breaking the heart and she Yesterday so sad, so much had changed.
Beautiful music. Later on, we still see them in a little while. Pero syempre ngayon, we also have some guests na magbibigay ng special number para po kay Lola Eden. Pero bago po natin sila tawagin, we just like to acknowledge and greet the people who are watching via FB Live. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. If I'm not mistaken, they are Shawnee and other relatives po. Ayan, nanonood po sila via our live stream. So please enjoy the celebration of Lola Eden. Let's begin with our first guest who will entertain us all. A very close person to the heart of our dearest Lola Eden as well, through Shawnee. Ito na po ang ating first member of the guest na magbibigay ng kanyang intermission number. Let's give it up for Miss Bianca Liwanag. Palakpakan naman po natin.
I'm afraid to fly, and I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. It's just that I recall back when I was small, someone promised not to catch me, and then didn't let me fall. And now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take the fall when I fall in love? You think by now I've learned, play with fire, you get burned. But fire can be your someone, and that's why I return. Turn and walk away. That's what I should do. My head says go and find the door. My heart says I'm not here. Maybe this time I'll have it all. Maybe I'll make it after all. Maybe this time I won't fall when I fall in love. Thank you.
Once again, Miss Bianca.
There is only there is history. I play all my cards, and that's what he done to. Nothing more to say, no words to delay. The best takes it all, just standing small. Sad victory that has destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I've been up there. I figured it makes sense, building me my face, building me your home, thinking I'll be strong there, but I was a fool, playing that walls. It got me to this place, my head's cold as ice, and someone way down here losing some all. Don't listen how to fall. It's simple and explain. Why should I complain? But tell me, there's a case. Like all these tickets do. It doesn't feel the same. Where should we be? Somewhere deep inside, we must know and mistake. But I can say, rules must be obeyed. The judge will turn his eyes told me abide. Spectators on the show always staying low. The game is all again. One lover, all afraid. The big thing on the small. The wind that takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel the same. And I understand you can't shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. Sing me some dance, no self-confidence, but just the winner takes it all. 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 Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you.
Yan po si Bianca and si Jasmine. Come on!
A huge old house, I run a room in the house, listen baby girl. I ain't got a motorboat, but I can float your boat, so listen baby girl. What you get a dose of dough, you gon' want some more, so listen baby girl. When I make it, I want you there, I want you there, yeah.
Baby, it's all about you and got flaws on me. With your touch and still touch my love, it's free. We can live without the books, just you and me. Hanging out till the get right.
daw po ang kanilang, or ang mga pangalan ng kanilang pong mga alaga. Ayan, or mga fur babies ni Lola Eden and ni Lolo Ernie. Ayun, doon para sumali sa ating mga palaro. Yes, ma'am. Sige po, isa lang po. Pwede. Sige, ma'am.
Si Molly.
Molly is correct. Isa po sa kanyang mga fur babies. Ayan ay si Molly. Molly, sino pa po o ano pa ang pangalan ng kanyang fur baby na nagsisimula sa letter T? Letter T. Taon siya.
Teo, sabi mo.
Again po. Letter T. Sige, ma'am.
T.
3 letters na. Talaga.
Teya.
Teya. Mali po ang Teya. Pasensya na po. Sige po, dito tayo. Sir, yes po. Tom. Malapit na. Pasensya na po. Color brown din. Taz is correct. Congratulations. There we go. Ayan, what is the secret to Lola Eden's radiant and youthful skin? Ano pa daw po ang kanyang sikreto? Ano kaya ang pinapa...
I'm not sure, but is it Olay?
Olay is correct. Congratulations! Has been using Olay since she was 25 years old, and it happens to be her holy grail when it comes to skincare. Tama po ba, Lola Eden? Tama. Ayan. So mag-Olay na po tayong lahat. Alright. We have more to go. Listen very well. We all know that Lola Eden has a college degree in education and was a teacher back in days. But what course was her second choice? Ano daw po ang kursong second choice po ni Lola Eden? Yes, madam. Psychology ang kanyang second choice. That is correct. Congratulations, ma'am. What is the name of Lola Eden's bestie? Ayan na. Ano ang pangalan ng kanyang BFF? One clue. She was Lola's childhood best friend and they happened to live in the same village growing up. Yes, sir. Esther or Edralyn is correct. Congratulations po. For one last question, listen well. What musical instrument did Lola Eden and her 3 daughters take lessons for? Anong instrument daw po? Ako, saan po kaya tayo? Yung hindi pa po nakasagot sa atin. Piano? Piano is correct. Congratulations, sir. Begin with the Best Dress Award for the male category. And it's you, Mr. Paul Ison. Congratulations. Hindi naman kagwa si Sir Paul. Alright, Sir Paul, pakisamahan naman po kami. Naku, congratulations, Sir Paul. Before receiving your prize, let's go find your partner. And your partner, the Best Dressed Award for the female category goes to Mila Guccini. Congratulations! And have one photo taken together with Lola Eden. Mag-exit ka pala. Goes to... It goes to Mrs. Lorenzo. Congratulations! Ano?
Hello everyone. Good evening. Thank you for coming, everyone, because you made my party very enjoyable and meaningful for me. It was a successful one because of you. And secondly, I'm attributing the success of this because of my Siron family, my eldest family, I mean Carla Siron. She stayed through, just to be with me away from the States, just to be with me. Now, secondly to my husband, all these years we are together through thick and thin. Although we are sometimes apart, it's because he doesn't want to go out just like me. I'm outside person, loves to go out, but there he is, attributing also my good life to him. Now, all of you made my success meaningful and because of the effort of Edwin being the event coordinator, really my favorite MC. Also to Shanda, she organized, she was able to conceptualize the content. Then everything she has done for me, from the visitors to food selection, what to wear, everything. Now, lastly, I thank God for giving me the life of gift at 75. Even though sometimes I encounter a little difficulties when it comes to health, and I always used to survive it. Thank God, because of you, I'm still here. Amen. I love you all. I love you all.
One! There we go, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, our birthday celebrator, Lola Eden Magbayo. To everybody who came and stayed, palakpakan niyo naman po ang inyong mga sarili. Even though it's a Friday night, ako, nandito po kayo at nakisaya. Pero para po mas masaya tayong lahat, may we request everybody to please stand. Isang group photo lang po tayo.